It is said that a contented mind is a perpetual feast. I'd like you to experience all the time a sense of satisfaction. Why? I'd like to tell you why. Because a contented mind is a perpetual feast. I'd like you to feel contentment in your heart. It is essential for you to keep your happiness. Contentment is better than riches. You are Japanese. Do you surely enjoy experiencing some parts of Japanese culture? It is said that Japanese culture is very mysterious. When foreign people experience some parts of Japanese culture, usually they feel it is difficult to understand this culture. Above all things, understanding Japanese spiritual culture is difficult. One of them should be the pathos of things. Mono no aware in Japanese. Now, I'd like to imagine you are here in the mountains, enveloped in mist and clouds. Is there anything you receive? Is there anything you feel deeply in your heart? You experience the beauty of tranquility in the mountains, enveloped in mist and clouds. Do you really feel absolute beauty in your experience? Conversely, you are now in a noisy town. You are surrounded by a lot of noises. You see a lot of high buildings. Do you feel absolute beauty in experiencing so? Some people like city life, that is alright. Vicissitudes of life are necessary for people to understand the beauty of nature, especially to deepen the beauty of nature. You need to be surely sophisticated. Cultivation is a must for you to enjoy experiencing the beauty of nature. If you're successful in renouncing greed, you feel more beautiful in experiencing somewhere in the nature. I directly renounce those things you don't need materially. If you pay attention a lot to so many material things, you are dominated by materials. You cannot have any room to feel the beauty of nature. On the other hand, if you're successful in breathing in the beauty of nature, you have a lot of opportunities to taste delicious taste of so many things in nature. You are now here in front of broken branches of a tree. How do you feel in the presence of broken trees? You don't listen to anything unnecessarily. You are here in the air of tranquility. When you observe those broken branches of the trees, you feel a sense of transitoriness. Nothing is permanent. Nobody possesses eternal life. Human life is transient. I'd like you to enjoy feeling of a sense of transience. If you are not dominated by extravagance, gradually you come to feel not to possess anything is a way to feel something transient. Feeling the beauty of a sense of transience is a way to deepen the meaning of your life first, then on the basis of the comprehension of the meaning of your life, you are standing upon a certain stage for you to deepen and experience the pathos of things. Naturally, you receive something beautiful, something romantic. Otherwise, something sentimental. You should have contentment in your heart. Contentment is better than riches. Usually, human beings need so many years to understand that riches have wings. Imagine now, you don't have anything unnecessary. You're just breathing beautifully every day. You come to feel deeply. Real possession is no possession. The lecture shall be finished now.